Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be all about my impressions on this gorgeous Chanel brooch. But before I begin, if you're new here or if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to see more of luxury and beauty reviews. Now let's begin. I purchased this brooch 18 months ago from Chanel store. It was such a difficult decision to make as I've seen many beautiful items, but I've decided to go with this one for a few reasons. Mainly because of the versatile champagne gold color and discreet appearance. Under certain light, the brooch can also appear silver, which makes it easy to combine with both gold and silver jewelry. As mentioned earlier, it's a combination of champagne gold metal and crystal diamantes. What I appreciate about the diamantes is that they are not overly shiny and still in place after 18 months of regular use. I do make sure not to spray perfume over it and to keep it in a pouch when at home, as per sales assistant's advice. This is probably why there are no signs of wear or age. It still looks like the day I bought it. Chanel brooches are a bit pricier, but I believe they are well worth the money. They don't go out of fashion, they are long lasting if you look after them, and they really help elevate the outfits. I would definitely love to buy at least one silver color, but until then this one will do perfectly fine. I usually wear it on my dark blazers, dark knitwear, dresses, and I love how such a small detail elevates the whole outfit. Overall, I found this brooch a good investment, good for first purchase, low maintenance with an amazingly low cost per wear ratio. I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.